Hey guys, here's one more set of gadgets you can get. You've probably thought of a mobile controller or an amazing accessory for your desktop. Well, we'll show you some cool options. Watch till the end to check out a wallet for all occasions. As usual, all the links to the products are given in the descriptions below. Let's start. If you're into mobile gaming, check out this awesome controller by Razer. It brings you a full set of buttons, clickable sticks, and triggers, which add up to a console-like experience. The stretchable design allows usage with almost any smartphone, even the huge ones. Unlike Bluetooth controllers, this one connects directly via the charging port, so you won't notice any latencies whatsoever. Hello, instant button response. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip that you'll definitely appreciate during long gaming sessions, as well as the integrated charging port to keep the battery full while playing. It's Lightning in the iPhone version and USB-C for Android phones. Now you're going to win them all. This gadget is nothing but a small box, but it can be revolutionary for the way we store our data. The idea is that lots of people are tired of paying each month for cloud services, which aren't always that fast and reliable. This thing is called Cubitt. It's basically your own cloud server that costs $0 per month. It comes with either 512 gigabytes or a terabyte of internal storage, but you can actually get up to 4 terabytes by plugging additional drives via USB. Your data stays completely private thanks to the military-grade encryption and safe distribution within the peer-to-peer network. Managing your files is really easy with a set of apps available both for mobile and desktop platforms. You can tie up to 4 accounts with a single Cubitt, and if you somehow lose the gadget, your data will be stored somewhere in the network. Introducing the most elegant way to keep your secrets, this is a flash drive that's protected with a 5-digit mechanical lock. The design concept was actually borrowed from Leonardo da Vinci's sketches, the man who definitely knew a lot about secrets. This item will be a cool addition to your Steampunk collection, if you're into that. The metal casing is subtle and durable at the same time. The storage capacity of the flash drive is 32 gigabytes. Guess that should be more than enough for the most precious information. Now here's a volume mixer designed specifically for gamers. Unlike the professional ones, which are used by sound producers, this thing is super simple and clean. It's equipped with 5 knobs that allow you to adjust the volume in various apps and games easily. Plus, with the shortcut buttons underneath, you can quickly mute the mic or switch tracks. In fact, the actions are fully programmable both for the knobs and buttons. Place as many programs as you wish onto a single knob with the program Knob Effect. Same goes for RGB light arcs that support various colors and lighting effects. What's more, the mixer comes with a zinc-plated steel stand that provides a comfortable angle. 2 silicone pads on the stand and on the gadget itself ensure firm grip no matter how you place the mixer. At last, there's no need to switch the windows during the match. Here's the best beer pong table ever. It doesn't just perfectly fit your party, it is the party in a way. The table grabs all the attention with its 600 LED lights that support 8 beautiful colors and 4 stunning effects. You can also sync the lights with your music thanks to the built-in sensor. Switching the modes and adjusting the brightness is really easy with the included remote control. The infinity mirror surface makes the lights look even more surreal. But despite these fancy ornaments, the table is also sturdy and functional. The powder-coated metal frame will survive the wildest parties. 8 feet long and 2 feet wide, it's perfectly balanced for beer pong competitions. On top of that, the foldable design and detachable legs allow for easy transportation. Bring the party with you. Now let's take a break from all these ultra-smart gadgets and check out a piece of art. Of course, it's still tech-related. These fascinating bugs are completely handmade, so each piece is unique. The design reunites modern technologies with the natural shapes into a seamless combination. As you can see, the bugs are made of old wires, PCBs, and other electronic components. The creators believe that these beautiful sculptures can symbolically protect your PC from all the viruses and malware. There's also plenty of color and size options to choose from. Just don't forget to renew your antivirus license. Here's an amazing lamp that imitates the magic of crystal growth. Each piece alone is already a great example of geometrical perfection, but together they form something even more impressive. The magnetic design allows you to assemble the crystals any way you like. These 16 built-in LEDs bring you several bright colors and lighting modes. All the adjustments are made with the included remote control. However, the crystals actually look great even when turned off. They just turn into silver stones. It's a must-have gadget for those who never travel without their camera. This camera clip is extremely easy to use and functional at the same time. It attaches to any belt or strap up to 3 inches wide and 0.5 inches thick, perfect for a backpack. This little clip allows carrying a full-frame DSLR, compact mirrorless cameras, and even point-and-shoot ones. Moreover, you can install the camera in various directions, making it easier to change the lens on the go. The clip holds the camera tightly, which is crucial in intense use cases like hiking, skiing, or biking, and it can handle even more tasks with additional accessories. For instance, there's a special kit for carrying your lens and another one for binoculars. GoPro users will definitely appreciate the POV kit, a small tool for great shots. Meet professional studio lighting in your pocket. This iPhone case is equipped with warm LED lights on both sides, which are 90% brighter than your phone's flashlight. The built-in battery provides up to 30 minutes of use at full brightness. It's available in multiple designs for the whole iPhone 11 and iPhone 12 lineups. Your videos and selfies will never be the same. It's time to say goodbye to ugly long-arm selfies. This remote shutter button for your smartphone allows taking wide-angle selfies and videos with a 30-foot range. The gadget is Bluetooth enabled and features universal compatibility with most mobile platforms. It works with phones, tablets, and selfie sticks without any additional software. The gadget also supports all your favorite camera modes, including flash, pano, and square. Its size is only 1.5 by 1.5 inches, which makes carrying absolutely effortless. Insert the battery and enjoy hundreds of hours of use without charging. Cool. This amazing watch by Hublot was designed in cooperation with a famous sports car brand. That's why it's called LaFerrari. The most incredible part about it is the fully transparent case. That's not just glass or plastic, it's a pure sapphire. It reveals the unique watch mechanism that reminds of a car engine. The watch packs 637 parts along with 108 jewels. The beautiful tourbillon is placed vertically and it's clearly visible. As a mechanical watch, this one has a fairly long 50-day power reserve. Winding this mechanism is not that easy. That's why it comes with a special electric drill. Despite this fancy stuff, the watch features 100 feet water resistance. And the strap is just regular silicone. Here's an extremely helpful gadget, both in regular city life and wildest journeys. It combines a card holder and an ultimate survival set in a sleek, compact body, and it's only 0.3 inches thick. Yep, it packs up to 4 credit cards along with a broad variety of handy tools. The set includes a micro screwdriver, windproof match, loud aluminum whistle, and even a micro SD card reader. Each tool is made of high-quality materials, and the holder itself is crafted from a solid block of titanium. Also, check out this multifunctional metal wallet. This one fits up to 7 credit cards, your keys, and flash drive. There are 3 design options to choose from: carbon fiber, silver, and black. And you'll definitely appreciate the bottle opener.